across the globe. So this time we are organizing an international event, kind of a satsang, so that we can utilize Sridharji's time, convenient time, and then get the divine wisdom of Mother to all of us. So everybody are waiting for your talk, and then we were waiting for this kind of a session for a long time, and then it is a great privilege for us to be a part of this program, and would request you to continuously keep this kind of a session. It will be a great help for our sadhanas. In this lockdown period, we cannot go, but this kind of a Zoom meeting will definitely enable us to learn little more deeper sadhanas. So I would request Sridharji to take over the session and bless us with divine wisdom. Thank you. Over to you, Ji.
Thank you. Thank you, Shibu. So, welcome everybody to a great opportunity to say about Devi. And we can start our program. Can you hear properly?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you. Then one minute. How to remember Guru Parambara? Oh, so you can keep the Guru Padya Mudra. Everybody is Dikshit people, so you know how to keep the mudra. Om Sri Lalamba Guru Padakam
Pujayami.
Om Srinathaji Gurutrayam Ganapatim Pirtrayam Bhairavam Siddhaukam Vadikatrayam Padayam Durikaramam Dalam Virandeshta Chaska Satyamagam Viravali Panchagam Sriman Mali Mantraj Sagitam Mande Guru Mandalam Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Deva Maheshwara Guru Sakshal Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Guru Nama Om Shri Guru Bhyo Nama Om Sakshamalavarayam Hasao Sakshamalavarayam Shri Guru Parama Guru Parameshwara Guru Sri Padam Pujayami. Om Shri Matre Namah. So, this is the first meeting of the batch for those who registered to online and started the sadhana. To give the proper information about the enlightenment and spiritual awakening, or Ashtanga Yoga, or Shividya, or God, the secret of life, everything. To give the people, I am putting the effort. So actually, it is very successful. People are showing very good interest to do the sadhana and practice of the awakening process. So actually it should be a very proper way how to worship or meditate, because lots of the people have lots of confusion in this time, because all of the people, most of the people, they went through the many meditation systems in the world, because lots of meditation systems are available, especially in Hinduism. There is not an organized system, and that's why many mispractices are going on everywhere, many places you can see. So that's what is happening. It is not treating individually. One tablet for everybody, all patients. So that's why what is happening means people have different confusions are there. Most of the people they went to some more people are coming with because they went to some classes for pranic healing, some classes for Reiki, some classes for Raja Yogam, some classes for many tantric disha from this guru and that guru. What is the need for that if they are going in the correct path? The problem is actually the common systems are treating the people commonly. People have different Sankhya yogas or personalities, experiences. So that's why the problems are different. Definitely there is a common way of problems are have there, but if you that is in deeper, the external level, the each and every people's problems are different. So they cannot clear their problems. They cannot ask to gurus. This is like a radio, but it should not be like that. Actually, the Guru Shishya Parampara should, disciple should ask the questions. The master is giving the answers. Then only the internal Guru Tattva of the disciple will awaken. Then after some times, the Guru cannot enter the outer Guru. The journey is alone. So, a particular level, all of the books and all of the systems and the support of external knowledge can go a particular level only. After that level, the sadhaka should go alone. Then, in that time, a particular level, after that particular level, the books will be helpful, everything will be helpful. But after that level, the only correction is going. The disciple will ask to master, I have these kind of some vibrations of experience like this here or this nadis. Some pains are this area, that area. I am dreaming bad dreams. So I cannot sleep. Many experiences the disciples will share. Some kind of Kundalini syndromes. Then the answer is not coming. Because those who are teaching them also, they are actually teaching from books. There's a limitation. So, what will happen means people will stop the meditation. Otherwise, they will go to meet the psychiatrist and have the medication and some kind of lithium or calcium. Then they will balance. I'm a clinical psychologist. People are coming to me because of the psychosomatic disorders, dissociative identity disorder, generalized anxiety disorder, bipolar disorder. All of this coming from the wrong awakening of Kundalini. I noticed that. So once it will go to wrongly, then I asked them in keen observation, they said, I did this yoga or this meditation. In the psychiatric past history, or they met many psychiatrists or psychologists, they will not ask this one. But if you ask them, some people have. this kind of past history of yoga or meditation. I'm not saying it is dangerous or something. I am not saying like that. Without knowledge, if you play with energy, electricity, it is danger. You can do many, many things. Your life will be very easy. So, same way. So all the time there is Gurukula system. The teacher can guide them. Teacher can correct them. What is happening? He knows and he will correct the disciples. Then they can slowly come to overcome the issues. If you can understand these are common, then you can systematic way. If you have the knowledge to how to overcome these problems, it is simple. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. You cannot sleep. If you cannot sleep, it is very difficult. So the problems may come, but if you can handle that in a very well way, it is the step. It will be the step to go to higher level. We have to go through everybody. Everybody should face some kind of issues if you go to the spiritual well or the awakening path. But these are not issues if you can understand that these are very blissful stage. It will lead to a blissful stage. A great luck because that much of ecstasy, the happiness will not get from anywhere. The problem is we have to be prepared because the happiness we cannot handle properly. We have to be strong to receive the energy of God, the happiness, the activation of Anandamaya Kosha. Many people, because we can see in some movies, they got the lottery, means what say? The luck, the money, bigger money, they will get there immediately. They will faint out. So because that much of happiness if it is coming in above some certain level, hypersensitivity, many problems may come. We have to clear that. Then only we can go to higher level. So Srividya is handling that one, but some other problem is also in Srividya system. Many teachers you can see in the name of Srividya system, but they are teaching only mere the external worshipping system. I'm not insulting anybody. I don't want to say that I am a bigger person. It's not like that. I'm saying the reality. Maybe the good people will be there. But many cases I'm seeing this wrongly teaching and learning and going. Only the Shakti worship is going. The problem is if the over-activation of Shakti, if you cannot balance with the Shiva, it will tend to negativity. You have a gun. In your hand, it is okay because you have the awareness of Shiva Bodham, Shiva consciousness. But the gun is having in the hand of your 2-year-old child. It is negative. So that's why I started a proper system to give the knowledge properly. And planning a great concept of to develop a university about all of these systems, to research about all of this system, to help the science to go higher level, and at a time to go to a person can go to inside the Samadhi awakening. So People are coming and taking Diksha from me, those who are coming from many teaching places. Why? Because this personal problem, I said, the clarity is not coming to go to inside deeply. The fear will come. Then we should get the correct answer of our questions. Otherwise, we will be fearful. Because we are facing our death. It is not a simple thing. We have to face our death of our ego. Actually, when we die, our body is going to collapse. It is not a problem. The I am is not there from today. We have to face that one, today or tomorrow. We can face now, slowly, systematically, with the help of Devi. We can face now. We can overcome the ego. Then the Kundalini will run its own way. No need to bring to Sushumna path. Naturally, it will outburst and we can experience here the great bliss and samadhi itself. The fear of death we have to overcome. For that, we are starting the observation ourselves through the senses, Tantric Pratyahara Dhyanam,